KahlasiaMonae. I create faith-filled videos for women who feel stuck in transition and want to break free so that they can walk in who God is calling them to be. If you feel like this is the space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into it. We have no time to waste. God is going to circle the block just for you. That dream that you had, that vision that you had, the desires that you had, that you put off to the side, you gave up on, you said, forget about this. I'm going to just go over here and do something else because it's easier. Forget about that. I'm not even going to do it anymore. It's too challenging. It's too hard. It's too difficult. I'm not going to do it. I don't want no parts of it. I don't want nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it. Well, God is going to circle the block just for you. He is going to give you a second chance. And this time it's going to work. This time you'll see the fruits of your labor. This time your labor will not be in vain. It's going to work. It's going to work. It's going to work. Write that down in the comment section below. It's going to work. You have to believe and know that God gives second chances. So that vision that you had in your heart, those dreams that you had, and you say, oh my gosh, this is too much, God. God, I don't have a team. God, I don't have people to help me. God, I just don't know. It's just too challenging. I don't want to deal with it right now. Well, God is allowing you to do it again. And when you do it again, this time it's going to work. When you do it again, this time it's going to work. He's going to send the people that you need. He's going to send the team, send everybody that you need so that you can see this vision come into fruition. This time it's going to work. This time you're going to see the victory. This time you're going to accomplishment. Last time you got winded. Last time you got tired. Last time you had no strength, but you got strength now. Oh my gosh, you got strength now. You can endure now. The perspective that you had then is not the perspective that you had right now. You are going to do it and you're going to give it all you got. You're going to do it and you're going to put everything in it. You're going to do it, and this time you're not afraid to take risks. You're not afraid of challenges. You're not afraid of what's going to come up or what's going to arrive, because now you got the grit that you need. Now you got the experience that you need. Now you got everything that you need, the tools that you need, the strategies that you need so that you can execute. You're going to execute this time. You're going to get it done this time. God is giving you a second chance. God is giving you a second chance. So pick that book up again and write. Pick that book up again and write. Write the vision and make it plain. And this time you're going to execute. This time you're not going to give up on it. This time you're not going to put it off to the side. You're going to do it, and you're going to do it well. Oh my gosh, you're going to do it, and you're going to do it well. You are going to do it, and you're going to do it well. Don't walk into it with doubt. Don't walk into it with fear. Don't walk into it with worry, because God got you. God got you, and he's giving you a second chance. God got you, and he's giving you a second chance. Oh my gosh, God's got you, and he's going to give you a second chance, and this time it is going to work. This time it is going to work. Oh my gosh, this time it is going to work. Stay positive and continue speaking life into your situation no matter what. Continue speaking life into your situation no matter what. Continue speaking positivity. Say this business is going to work. This business is going to bless somebody else. This business is going to help another family. Oh my gosh. This vision that I have is going to help some people. This vision that I have is going to bring some people out of poverty. This vision that I have is going to help provide shelter to other families. This vision that I have is going to be able to supply food to other families and other children. This time it's going to work. This time is going to work. God is giving you a second chance. God is giving you a second chance. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You've been praying long enough. You've been crying long enough. You've been worrying about it long enough. But this time, stay in position, stay in the posture, because this time God got you right where he needs you to be. God got you right where he needs you to be. God got you right where he needs you to be. Stay focused. Oh my gosh. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused on the goal. Stay focused on the goal. Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Continue to look ahead, because this time it's going to work. The challenges that you had before, if a challenge rises now, you know how to deal with it. You know how to process it. You know how to process it and keep working. You know how to process it and continue working. You know how to process it and continue moving. Oh my gosh. You don't get shooken up by a challenge. You don't get shooken up by a challenge. Challenges happen. Things happen. But now you know how to maneuver. Now you know how to work it out in spite of. Now you know how to still walk with your head held high, because you know ain't no challenge is going to allow me to back out. There's nothing that could arise would allow me to back out. There's nothing that can happen that allow me to step out and say, okay, God, once again, I'm giving up again. No. You're not going to give up this time. You're not going to give up this time. Oh my gosh, you got your strength back. Oh my gosh, you got your joy back. You got your peace back. You got your mind back. Oh my gosh, you got your mind back. You got all the tools that you need. God placed it in your hands. Everything that you need is already in your hands. Everything that you need is already in your hands. But you have to trust and believe and appreciate second chances. Appreciate God allowing you to do it again. Appreciate the grace that He's given to you. Appreciate His love. Appreciate Him circling the block just for you. Oh my gosh, He's circling that block just for you. He's allowing you to do it and do it again. He's allowing you to do it this time, and you're going to do it well. He's allowing you to do it this time, and now you can do it with a smile. Now you can do it with a smile. Now you can do it with a smile because you already know that is going to work. Oh my gosh, you already know that it's going to work. Those thoughts and negative thoughts that you had the last time, you don't have anymore. You're not putting negative into it anymore. You're not putting negative into it anymore, but you're putting positive. You're saying, I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. You are speaking life into yourself, into whatever it is that you put off to the side. You are speaking life into it now. You're speaking life into it now. It's going to work. It gotta work. Oh my gosh, it's going to work. It's going to work. It's going, I don't care what it might be. That thing that you put off to the side, pick it back up. Pick it back up. Pick it back up and watch God work. Pick it back up and watch God work. Pick it back up and watch God work. Watch Him work in your life. Watch Him work in your life. Watch Him work in your life. You got it now. 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 And guess what? If you don't got it, He's going to provide it. If you don't got it, He's going to provide it. He's going to make a way. He's going to make a way out of no way. He's going to make a way for you. So I wanted to make this video to encourage you, whatever the situation might be, whatever it was that you laid off to the side because you just gave up on it. You gave up on it. You had the fire. You had the fire and you let the fire burn out. God is giving you your fire back. Oh my gosh. God is giving you your anointing back. God is giving you your fire back. You are going to be so on fire that there's nothing that's going to be able to stop you. It's nothing that's going to be able to hinder you nor block you. You got your fire back. You got your fire back. You got your fire back. That zeal that you've been saying you needed, that creativity that you've been saying you needed, God is giving it to you back, and He's giving it to you back double. He's giving it to you back double. You thought you had the fire then. You got the fire right now. You got the zeal right now. Oh my gosh, He's equipped you for the time right now. Forget about how it happened before. Forget about who wasn't a part, who didn't support. Forget about all that. Forget all those old things. You're in your new season now. So walk in your new season freely. Walk in it knowing that you're going to do it and you're going to do it well. Walk in it knowing that God is circling the block just for you. Be sure to share this video with your family members, with your girls, with your friends. Let's keep going up. Keep subscribing, y'all. I love y'all so much. Let's break free together. Let's become her together. I'll see y'all on the next video.